Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. But today we don't have any Gunpla because we will have a unboxing, a spin test, and a test battle of the Beyblade XUX08 Silver Wolf ATFB. Ooh. Yeah, now I know what's FB. Okay, so before we go, it snaps on my mind. What is an FB? Because on the unleashing for this one, I really forget what's an FB. But yeah, let's go. Let's unbox this. And now I'm excited because I now know what is an FB means. Okay, so now, without further ado, let's go. Let's unbox this because I know you already know the parts of the box because it's on my unleashing. Okay, now let's go. Let's unbox. Okay, so yeah, these are the parts of our Beyblade X Silver Wolf. And yeah, just the box, then the code, which I will use that next time. Okay, now let's go first on its launcher. Because it has its own launcher also. Okay, so the launcher, it's just the same, but it's the same in mechanics. But its color is a little bit different because it has this silver turning part right there. It's now silver. Okay. And if they do this, they paint this part right here silver so that it's much more better. So this is just the part which is a little bit different. Something gray silver like that, not so metallic. And then we also have a, what you call this one, a ripcord. Okay, still ripcord. I don't know if it's still the same with the normal one. Yeah, so let's try this on its own ripper or its own launcher. Ooh, nice. Another one. Let's see. Okay. I can feel heaviness in that. So, yeah. Now, let's go to its parts. Now, let's have its beat. And its beat is an FB. And now, I know what's an FB. FB is free ball. Yeah, it's free ball. Because if you can see there at the side of this beat, there is no something that's something clay, something, I forgot what's the term, but yeah, something, there's a groove right there which really stops, or click, there's a click or something, it holds the beat on the inside of the ratchet, but this one doesn't have. So I think that's the sense of being a free ball. Yeah. Okay, and it's a ball. Okay, and then the ratchet, I just don't know if I really open it with my cutter last time on the opening, or it's really open. But yeah, so much for that. It's still the same because it's your ratchet is your 380. Am I right? Yeah, it's a 380 ratchet. It's a little bit large, but thankfully it's 8. It's 3, not 4. I think 4 is also okay, and thankfully it's a 2. Yeah, it's much more better. And then its blade, because this blade also has a gimmick. And what's that gimmick? Ooh, you can see that blade, man. That's so very nice. The gimmick is, this is a free spinning one, a free spinning blade at the bottom. It's like an assessed blade, so there's no set that it will set. It's just really just go free spin. Okay, very nice. So now let's combine them, the parts. Okay, nice one. And then the free ball. Ooh. And literally it's a free ball. No something holding it at the inside. Maybe there is. I think this part right here. But this part is the free spinning part. Yeah. Really free ball. Okay. So without further ado, let's go and let's get our station to have a spin test for this one so that we will know its ability and its performance. Especially of this free spinning assist blade right there. Yeah, because assist blade is on the CX line, but yeah, this one, it has that gimmick, man. Let's see, let's go and let's get our stadium. Let's go. Okay, so now we have our stadium, and now using its own launcher first and its ripcord, let's go and let's have a spin test for this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, I can feel the heaviness of this blade. It's really good to the ears. The top of its blade also is very nice, making that very round one. So yeah, in order to have or to know its ability and performance, let's have a battle. Yep, we'll have a battle, man. And that battle will be we'll have with its BX, its BX line, then we'll have its UX, and then the CX line. Okay, so for that, I would like to have a battle with its student. Yep, because as we know, okay, I'm using the launcher of the Silver Wolf. As we know, the user of Silver Wolf is also the master of Jackson, or Kamen X, or Blader X. So it uses the Dran sword. So let's go use the Dran sword right here versus our Silver Wolf. Let's go, man. I really want to have this battle for a long time. Ready? So first, battle. Silver Wolf versus Dran sword. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Master versus student. Let's go. Woo! What the heck? Hey. No, where's the ratchet? Shucks. Dran sword is still the OP of the Beyblade X. See that, man? And wow, it bursted our Silver Wolf. Yeah, it bursted. Woo, very nice. If it's a free ball, it has that something gimmicks, but still, our Dran sword is, I don't know, but it's very strong. For me, it's really, really strong. Yeah, this is my very first Beyblade X. Okay, let's have another one. Second battle. Hey, Master, you've been defeated by your student. Let's see. Another one. Second round, Silver Wolf versus Dran sword. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, ooh. And the Master survived this. Now, ooh, that's strong, man. A strong attack from our Dran sword, but Dran sword loses its stamina right now. And our Silver Wolf has more stamina, and yeah, that's it. Now the Master got its point back. But yeah, if we go with the point system, still Dran sword has more points because it's a burst finish. It's 2 points on the tournaments. Yeah. And yeah, Silver Wolf has only 1 point for that. Okay, so last round for them. Okay, so let's go. Let's see how it will react. Ready? Last round, Silver Wolf versus Dran sword. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh! And the Master gets its point back. It's an extreme finish for our Silver Wolf versus our Dran sword. Yeah. Strong. That's a strong one. And yeah. So now, let's have another battle with other lines. So we're done with the BX line. Now let's go to its UX line. And the UX line that I want to battle with this is your Scorpio Spear. Because as I know, Scorpio Spear is also strong. Yeah. And also has a gimmick with something. It's not free spinning, but it changes its mode during the battle. Ooh. Let's see, man. Let's see. Okay. So checking first the blades if it's okay. Yeah. So Silver will go first, then Scorpio Spear. Ready. First round, Scorpio Spear versus Silver Wolf. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, and Scorpio Spear have it. It's an over finish for our Scorpio Spear against our Silver Wolf. Nice Scorpio Spear. Okay, that's just the first round. Let's have the second round. Oh, it changes its mode, man. Goes to attack mode. Okay, so yeah, still okay. Ready? Second round for these two. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh, our Scorpio Spear jumps on, and it's now a tie because it's an over finish also. So that's for our Scorpio Spear. So let's have our second, or the third rather. So they are tied on the points. If it is a contest, they are on the same score. It's a tie right now. Okay. So yeah, now let's have our third round and last round for these two. Ready? Ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh! It really gets our Silver Wolf. right there. It even moves my camera. Okay. Yeah. So, for the last part, our Silver Wolf was bursted. Yeah. It's just the first contact and now it's bursted. Okay. So, I think that's because of the high ratchet. Higher in height. Yeah. And, oh, our Scorpio Spear goes to the attack mode. Right there, you can see that. Very nice. And, yeah. Again, now let's have another one. And I will get another Beyblade to go against with our Silver Wolf. Okay, so I think we will go to the UX line right... no, for the CX line. Okay, so I will get another CX line here. Okay, so the CX line that I choose, let's not go far for this fight. Because student versus master, and now let's go with the CX line of the Dran Brave. Yeah. So you can see the frame or the form rather of our Dran Brave is a little bit the same for the Dran Sword which we have here. Yeah. Okay, but it just have an assist blade. Okay. So let's go, let's try. So it's like the same with its master, but it's not free spinning. It stays there, but it has now an assist blade. The master has like an assist blade, but it's free spinning. Okay, so yeah, this is a 560. Okay, let's go. Let's try this one and the last battle for our Silver Wolf. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Okay, our Silver Wolf keeps on getting out of the attack of our Dran Brave. Dran Brave losing stamina. And yeah, that's it. So at this point, we'll go to its master for Silver Wolf. Okay, let's check first the blades if it's still intact. Okay, it's okay. How about this one? Does it move? No, so it's okay. So let's have our second round for this one. Oops. Go in, Silver Wolf. Okay, and then Dran Brave. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Oh! And that's a burst for our Dran Brave, bursting its master Silver Wolf. Okay, so that point is for Dran Brave. Okay, so yeah, it bursted. So for the point system, Dran Brave is more higher on points because it's a burst, and the first part of the point for the silver is just a spin finish. Okay, so it will be the last battle for this Silver Wolf and versus its Dran Brave. Okay, ready? Last battle, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! And another burst for our Dran Brave. Silver Wolf did not survive and that play. Yeah. So still, Dran Brave wins. Yeah. But still, Silver Wolf has a lot of potential. Maybe if you will play this one-on-one with other people, with other blader, because right here on me, I can really do something full power for this. Because yeah, it's on a dual system of launcher. So if it's just this one, its own launcher, maybe it's really very, very strong. See that? It has that very strong spin. Let's see. See that? It's really strong. You will have more control if you have an opponent, because you can really put where you want the Beyblade goes on the stadium. See that? More stronger if it goes launch first. See? Okay. So yeah, so that is our Silver Wolf, and yeah, it's a strong Beyblade. It's a nice Beyblade. It has a free spinning like assist blade. Maybe you need, but yeah, that's the point. That's the point why it's very high, high in its height, because it really attempts to go contact with the free spinning part right here. Because as I know, this free spinning part really nullifies the attack of every Beyblade that it every Beyblade that will be its opponent. Okay, so yeah, That's it. That's our Silver Wolf and UX08 380 FB or free ball. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next videos. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off and Gabber Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and peace out. Bye.